Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater. Today with a video walkthrough of a 2019 pre-owned Sea Ray 19 SPX stern drive. Boat is in extremely nice condition with about 35 hours. It's got the Sea Ray blue hull sides, stainless rub rail, so stainless package upgrading the rub rail, handholds, and all of the compartment latches in the boat. See the Sea Ray blue bimini top folded up. So we'll step on board and take a look. The boat does come with a trailer. Boarding ladder to the port side. See a convenient handhold with 12-volt charger. Very spacious sun pad. Storage, we have a removable igloo cooler and battery switches under this hatch. Does have the infinity woven vinyl carpet as well. Twin captain's chairs. Moving up to the helm, you see it has the Fusion stereo, full array of gauges with the 5-inch Simrad chart plotter. Under the stern seat, we do have a cooler. Take a quick look at the engine compartment. Boat is very clean. Again, about 35 hours. Fusion speakers. And very spacious bow seating up in the front, and a very nice combination with the dune interior. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman from MarineMax Clearwater. You can be reached at 813-503-2649, so give us a call. Come on down, see this boat in person, or set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks. See you soon.